What is up, YouTube? Really appreciate y'all for tuning back in. So now, let's get straight to it. 1 second here. Alright, perfect. Let's get straight to it. Yo, what is up, everyone? Good to see you all. Appreciate you all for tuning back in. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so now let's get straight to it. 1 second here. Let's tell the team that we're on live now. Really appreciate it all tuning back in. 1 second. Alright, so now for today, I'm looking for some decent day trades. And going to end it with some swings, of course. But yeah, let's go over the cues and then, we'll work our way down. Yo, good to see you all. Good to see you. Thanks for liking the live. Bill IG, really appreciate it. So yes, right now we are on, obviously, the cues. QQ. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, so what I'm waiting for, what I'm looking at, same exact thing, guys. Personally, let's go to a lower time frame. Yes, I get it. There is empty space still above us. But I do want to go to a lower time frame and try to break this one down. Yo, Fritz, what's up? Yeah, let me go ahead and write all this down 1 second here. HOD, we'll go over that too. Hold on. Good to see you all. Alright, so, what do I see here? Let's look. Hold on. Ooh, this 1 hour looks really good. So, I do see this. This looks absolutely amazing. 1 second here as I charge my phone. 1 second. Alright, cool. Alright, so right now. Wow, this bottom wall looks really amazing. Let me see a 30-minute really quickly. 30-minute. Oh, okay. So for me personally, this is what I have here, and this looks absolutely amazing. So what is this? We have this clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, yo, Vic, what's up? Good to see you, man. Dude, yeah, we'll check out MU too. We'll check out pretty much everything as well. Doesn't look bad though, from where I checked at. All right, so as you can see, we do have nice top wall and a bottom wall. So this bottom wall here that I'm seeing, and this is on the 30-minute chart, by the way, we see that there is, hold on 1 second, this clear move that I'm seeing. So yes, two body candles closing directly at the same line, directly at the same price. And this is where I want price to end up going down. So if we end up breaking under this wall, obviously, there is no entry right now. There's nothing for us to do because we're stuck in consolidation. But if we break consolidation, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red cam here. I will be keeping a look on this one. Doesn't look bad. I can say. So yes, inside the middle, top wall, bottom wall, we do have the empty space that looks really good. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait. But yeah, it looks really good. Not bad at all. Yo, John, thanks for the follow. Thanks for all the likes, guys and gals. Hold on. Yep, got you guys. Hold on 1 second here. Let me write all this down. Kava. Infinity, what's up? Alright, so we'll go over pretty much everything. So right now, yes, we are still stuck in consolidation, at least for me. I personally don't want to do anything except for breaking under this wall if we can go down to the downside so it doesn't look bad. Can I look at ALES? Yeah, no worries. ALES, let's definitely do it. Alright, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gotta give me some water. Gonna be right back. And yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, I'll be right back. 1 second. everyone? I'm back. I swear I'm here. All right, so let's get straight to it. Hold on one second here. Yo, Glock, thanks for training live. Yo, Ant, good morning. CT, good morning. Good morning. What can I do with honestly, there are some contracts out there that are really, really cheap, like $5. You will just have to find those personally. But yo, Emmy, good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Bob, what's up? What's up? All right, so hold on. UNH, yeah, we'll go over that too. We'll go over pretty much everything. Looking forward to today. Hey, yeah, no worries, no worries. Personally, like, there is like a few stocks that are really, really cheap, that really have cheap contracts, and at least for me, I don't like telling my members to get into anything expensive. Obviously, here and there will be expensive contracts, but yeah, just wait for the better setups personally. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So we did the Qs. Let's go over all right, HOD. So yeah, hold on. I think there's some contracts like hold on. Let's see here. Yo, Colin, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Oh yeah, no worries. I'm trying to think of it right now. I think that's in use. So in use very cheap. There's, I think it's AT&T. I got to check the contracts again. But yeah, no worries. One second here. So for Hood, so HOD, this is what we had, or what I have here. Honestly, okay. This doesn't look bad at all. And Meta, yeah, no worries. All right, don't do that. Hold on, guys, one second here. How to mute that account? Hold on one second. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, appreciate all the follows and all the likes, guys. All right, so as of right now, where do I enter? Okay, that's a very good question, and this is what I do every single day. So let's just say we're looking for a trade here. We're looking for something for us to happen here. And yes, what do we see? First thing that really caught my eye here was, yo, what's good morning, good morning. How do I see NVIDIA this week? Yeah, actually, you know what? Let's take a look too. NVIDIA, we'd have to take a look. So as right now though, what I see here, I see a clear move up of no consolidation. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need here, guys and gals? We need the top wall, bottom wall. So this top wall and bottom wall that I'm referring to, that I'm seeing, these are basically just points of contact. And these points of contact that I'm seeing, this is where price is having a hard time getting under. Obviously, you can see that there's a body candle, another body candle, and also a body wick closing directly at the same price. So yes, I would need a break and candle closure underneath this wall. So once we end up breaking this wall here and closing under, this is my indication like, okay, yes, this is when I want to get into the downside. And if we end up, so yes, we have this whole move up that we would love to take to the downside. So where is our stop? Where's my final TP? I'm looking for the next resistance, and I personally don't see resistance until boom, this red candle there. And yes, this is another box, another floor. Yeah, so there's still a lot more empty space that we could end up finishing to the downside, but personally, this doesn't look bad there. So yes, from the entry, and yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Yo, thanks for the rose, really appreciate it. Thanks for the roses. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the literal middle of the move is going to be where we trim contracts. So yeah, as of right now, or at least I don't want to do anything because we're stuck in consolidation. But if we end up breaking outside of this wall here, I'm looking to trade into the next consolidation area. So boom, these candles right here, they're consolidating. Don't want to take the trade there. But if we end up breaking under and going down, that looks really good. So not bad at all. Yo, Stargirl, what's up? Yo, Papa, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Our charts look different on the same time frame. Are you using? So I'm actually using not the regular time frame trading hours. I'm using the extended time frame. Also, make sure you have the real-time beta on as well. So hold on. So let me pull up all these other ones. So that was an HOD that looked really decent. As you can see, buyers control this floor here, and we need buyers to break underneath that wall. So yeah, if you have any trouble, just let me know. Just give me a DM, or you can ask the Discord. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals, a lot more information. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, Inflames, what's up? What's up? Hope you have a good dude. You too, man. Hopefully, have a great day too as well, man. Honestly, I'm ready for today. We're gonna see, where the setups are gonna happen. So what do you use? Extended time frame? So yes, I use the extended time frame trading hours. So you can see, boom. Regular, so not the regular. We don't want to trade on the regular trading hours. We want to do it on the extended. So yeah, that looks really good. Now they look alike. I just changed it. Okay, cool, perfect. Yo, Ant, what's up? And yeah, in the video we'll go over that too as well. I plan on joining VIP this week. Yeah, no worries. If you guys and gals do want to join the VIP Discord, links in the bio. We have the free version as well. We do have a discount code going that I just posted too as well. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. I don't know why my mouse isn't working. Let's work. Come on. There we go. Come on. 1 second here, guys. 1 second here. Not sure why my mouse isn't wanting to work right now. Alright, there we go, we're good. Alright, so now, let's get straight to it. BABA, why extended trading hours? So yes, in my VIP Discord, we do call-outs. Obviously, yesterday we had a couple good lottos, we had a couple good scalps. I think at the end of the day, around like, before my last live stream, we had the Qs, we had QQ calls. Price went up like over $1, so we ended up scalping that. And then we had some swings as well. Hey man, can you check out the daily duel? Yeah, no worries. We'll check that out. Yo, Shango, what's up? What's up? So why the extended time frame trading hours? It's because let's say, let's go to Tesla really quickly, so I can give you an example. So let's just say we're on a 24-hour chart right here, and yes, we trade on a higher time frame. As you can see, so right here, this is why we use the extended time frame. So as of right now, if we go to the regular trading hours, you can see there are a lot more gaps in here. There's a lot less information in these candles. So this is why I like going from the regular to the extended time frame. You can see there's a lot more information in these candles, less gaps. This actually looks tradable, other than, trading on from the before and then the aftermath. So that's just pretty much it for me. But yeah, now let's keep on going. Let's look at CAVA. Let's look at all these other ones as well. My puts finally, dude, Fireman, fire! Keep up the great work. So it looks like Kava ended up breaking under this wall here. Honestly, it looks like we may, if we end up reversing, that would be great. But yes, we had a clear move up, no consolidation. We did end up breaking below this wall, which allowed us into the empty space below us. But you can see that buyers regained this floor. So they basically regained this price area. So not bad at all. So either it's gonna flush or it's either gonna be a stop out and re-entry. So as of right now, doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look bad. So if we end up rejecting underneath this floor, that would be great. But we'd have to see how buyers end up gaining this floor here. Doesn't look bad though. He said good morning, good morning, good. Shout out to Lawnmower. Alright, so now let's keep on going. So that was on CAVA. So yes, I would need buyers to lose control again in order for us to target to the downside. But it doesn't look bad though. LAES, let's go over that too. Oh wow. We'll go over that. We'll go over NVIDIA. Let's pull that up too. NVDA. So yeah, we'll pretty much pull up everything as well. So yes, if you guys and gals want me to look at something, we will look at it. I promise. And UNH and BABA. Hold on. UNH. Also BABA. We'll do that. BABA. Cool. Alright, so hold on, let me extend this over there. Alright, so yeah, perfect. And Meta, yep, got you. Good to see you all once again. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, so NVDA. Let's go over this. And this is what I'm seeing here. So You know what? Well, we'll start fresh. Let's get rid of all this and let's start from fresh. Yes, sir. I got you, James. Yeah, no worries at all. SYTA. Yeah, I'll take a look at that too. I think we seen that yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I think it did look pretty good. Oh wow. Okay. So this is for options. We mostly do options trading inside the Discord. So yes, if you're planning on joining the Discord, we mainly do options trading. As you can see, yes, all of my plays will look exactly the same. I have the same take profits. I have the same stop loss. My stop losses are pretty much going to be very minimal, break even, or very small stops. As you can see, I'm looking for the bigger move. So yes, we mainly trade at the end of the day. So the last hour is exactly what we want. We have a clear move down, no consolidation. Once we end up breaking above the wall there, we go up and tap. So yes, end of day is when we mainly swing trade. So clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall there. And yes, my first TP is always going to be the middle of the move. And final TP is always going to be, the final entry is going to be my exit. So if I have to stop out and re-enter, perfectly fine. But for NVIDIA, this doesn't look half bad. So yes, what do we see here? There's a clear move up of no consolidation. And I do see that there is a top wall and a nice bottom wall. So the bottom wall here, as you can see right now, this is an area where these candles are having a very hard time getting under. So two body candles closing directly at the same line. And as you can see, this is where buyers are gaining control. So if we end up breaking and closing underneath that wall there, I'm looking for the next resistance, and I don't see any until here. This green candle there. Obviously, you definitely could have a trim there, but I just want to take it to the downside, all the way down. CIFR, yeah, no worries. We'll go over that too. No worries. What's the benefit of the hold on one second. What's the benefit of the VIP membership? So for the VIP membership, so we do have obviously yes. Please do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, in the VIP Discord, we do have we give signals. We give a lot more charting, so you can see what type of charts that we're looking at. I give out potential setups. My moderators do as well. And we pretty much just work together, looking for entries. Obviously, we work together. If the play is going right, we get in. If the play is not doing what it wants, we'll get out and we'll re-enter. So there's a lot of information in there. There's news updates. We have lotto plays. We have swing trading alerts, day trading alerts. A lot more learning. So yes, I do have to update it with a lot more information as well. So yes, we do have a discount going right now for VIP. But yes, you can either DM me for that. You can see it in Discord, or you can just watch live streams. I'm here pretty much every day too as well. But yeah, no worries. What about Tesla? Yo, Logic, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. PLTR. Okay, yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. Hold on one second up here. PLTR. I think we have to go over. Hold on one second. Alright, so this looks really good. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me charge this before it ends up turning off on me. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. One second. Hold on. Yo, I'm here. I'm sorry, I had to plug in my my MacBook. We're good. All right, so now that was in a video. This looks really decent. As of right now, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, what I see here basically, we have a clear move up of no consolidation. So this is an area that I would love to take to the downside. Obviously, we have a bottom wall. So yes, where buyers are gaining control, we have a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target to the downside. So yeah, as of right now, just going to wait and see if we can get a candle body closing underneath that wall. So as of right now, definitely not going to do anything except for just to wait. Doesn't look bad though. All right, so now pull that up too. Got to go over. So yeah, UNH did really good too as well. Yo, Logic, thanks for all the likes. Yo, thank you guys for the likes and follows. Really appreciate it, and gals as well. So it looks like yes, this play already ended up working out. There was empty space below us that we wanted to take to the upside. We ended up breaking above into the empty space. Personally, now though, this is what I'm seeing here. Hold on one second here. SMCI, yep, got you. Yo, Julius, my guy, how are you, bro? Good to see you. Shout out to Julius. Now, the thing about Julius, he'll, be in the Discord, and all of a sudden he's up, like, 500% on the play. Nothing crazy, though. Hold on one second. All right, one second. Let's see. SMCI, let's go over pretty much everything as well. All right, cool. Let's see. Pending comments. General, what's your thought on? General. Okay, hello. Yeah, we'll go over that too. Yeah, my bad. And yes, my bad about. I'm just getting overflown with a lot of requests. So yeah, we'll pretty much go over everything though. So no worries at all. Okay, so it looks like. Firstly, for me at least, this is what I've seen here. We did have that empty space above us. As of right now, it looks like. One second here. So yes, we have the empty space that looks good. Not bad. Yo, Tracy, thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. So yes, we have this top wall, and also we have the bottom wall. So this bottom wall here that I'm referring to, that I'm seeing, is points of contact. As you can see with this top wall here, you can see that there is body candle and two other body candles closing directly at the same line. And looks like, yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. So we did end up breaking above this wall here, which has allowed us to upside to the empty space. And looks like, yes, we are trying to punch back into this box. So hopefully we can find like a small rejection so we can go back up. So we'll just have to see how that reacts. From the entry to the exit, middle of the move, it's still going to be the empty space. Obviously, yes, guys and gals, please do your own research. I'm not saying you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over your different setups. So yes, please do your own research, of course. One second here. All right, so one second here. One second. So yeah, as of right now, I would just wait to see how that retest looks. It doesn't look bad though. Alright, so James Dagashi, man. So let's go over this one too as well. So yeah, pretty much just going down the line as well. Looking at all these setups. So right now, this is what I'm seeing that looks fairly decent. Alright, so let's go to a 24-hour, actually a weekly chart. So on the 1 week, he does look like, we're clearly on the, uptrend for sure. But let's just break this down. So yes, I like to start on a higher time frame, and then I like to work my way down. So 24-hour. Let's see if there's anything here that I like. Personally, I do see this. This doesn't look that bad. So yeah, there is some empty space here. So what am I looking at? What do I see? I see this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. Now this doesn't look bad. As you can see, I wish there was a better top and bottom wall, but nice top there, nice bottom there. So there is this bottom wall that needs to be broken. So I wish we could come down, make another point of contact so we can make sure that's our bottom wall. If we end up breaking under that wall there, I'm looking for the next resistance. And for me at least, I don't see any resistance, guys and gals. And so boom, this red candle there. Yes, from the top wall to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space. So yeah, this is exactly what we want. Doesn't look bad though, not bad at all. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is the empty space. So this is exactly what we want. Yeah, it doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look bad at all. All right, so now let's go to PLTR. You guys and gals want to see that? Tesla 2 as well. Yep, gotcha. Yeah, no worries. Hold on one second here. PLTR. Let's see. SMCI as well. SMCI. Yeah, we'll pull that up too. Want to pull up all these other trades as well. Let's see what the damage is here. Actually, yeah, we'll pull up DG as well. Kava looks really good though. If we can end up breaking below, that looks not bad at all. So now let's keep going. PLTR. Let's see. So yeah, honestly, on a lower time frame, on a lower time frame, this looks really good. So we'll see as well. Google, yeah, no worries. Yeah, we'll go over that as well. Google. Thanks, man. I pray it works out and goes down to 400. If yes, I quit my job. Dude, fire, man. Yeah, I hope it works out for you, man. But yes, please remember, guys and gals, do your own research, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. But yeah, hopefully it works out, man. Let's see. All right, so this is what I have here. This looks really good. This is what I like. So 1 second here. Boom. What is this? We do have. So at first, the first thing that really caught my mind and caught my eye here was this clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need here? We would need a top wall, bottom wall. Yeah, appreciate the roses, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there. All right, hold on. Let me make it perfect. All right, cool. All right, so there is a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target to the downside. So yes, if we end up breaking under this 123 area, I'm looking for the next resistance. And I don't see any resistance until boom. Where's this red candle down here? And yes, this is another top, another bottom. So in the middle, we have the empty space that we like. This is exactly what I will be waiting for. That doesn't look bad at all. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is our empty space. So this is exactly what we would want to the downside. Obviously, right now, what are we doing? We are still stuck in consolidation. So yes, all of this is consolidation. Obviously, I can make some more boxes. There are a little bit more boxes here that I could end up making. Oh, no, I'm not going to do that. As you can see, like, even this. So let's see. Even this could be a box here. Top wall, bottom wall. And even in here, as you can see, this is some empty space here. Yo, Jojo, what's up? Good to see you. PXN, just like, yeah, let me take a look. I'll take a look at that as well. What does that mean? So, which part? Oh, consolidation. Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. So basically, for, when I say consolidation, I basically just mean that, you can see these candles going back and forth. So this right here, you can see, like, hold on, what I just circled here. All of this is an area of consolidation. Like, you can see that these candles are going back and forth. There's not really any real movement, so they're just boxed up together with no real movement. But as you can see, this right here, this clear push up, this is no consolidation. So if we see a clear move up, there, candles aren't going back and forth. This is no consolidation. Hey, even this is no consolidation here. So boom, clear move down, no consolidation. What this box is basically an area consolidation as well. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Shout out to Batty. Alright, so, and thanks for the gifts, really appreciate it. Alright, so hold on 1 second here. Look, you want to do some puts. Yo, my guy, long time, bro. Good to see you, bro. Shout out to November, really appreciate it. Alright, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. We do have a discount going for the VIP as well. But yes, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. 1 second here, 1 second here. And yes, please do your own research. So yes, do your own research, of course. Thank you. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here. I swear I'm here. All right, so now, as you can see, for Tesla, this is what I have here. My bad, I got a delivery, so yeah, got me a delivery. But anyways, so for Tesla, so as of right now, let's go to a higher time frame and break this one down. So yeah, I will be honest. Yes. Hopefully at the end of the day, so there is some empty space above us that looks really good. As of right now, there's just nothing for me that I would want to do here except for just to wait. RIVN, yeah, no worries. SYTA and RIVN, yeah, let me write that down as well. So 1 second here. So hold on. SYTA, RIVN. Yo, Chris, what's up? Good to see you. So yeah, I do one-on-one classes as well. So yeah, just give me a DM. I got you guys, no worries. Probably only gonna do like 1 or 2 more. All right, so 1 second here. Personally, you know, for me at least, this is what I see here that looks really decent. That looks really good. Let me go down to a 2-hour at least. So 1 second. Hold on. Yeah, this looks good. What I see here that I like, that looks really good. That looks really decent. So we have a clear move up, no consolidation. So yes, clear, easy push up. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do I need here? Nice top wall. Bottom wall here. So this bottom wall here that I'm looking at, I'm looking at points of contact. As you can see, body candle, closing directly at the same line. And I'm basically waiting for a break outside of this level in order for me to start getting to this downside. So if we push underneath, I don't see any resistance until boom, this red candle there. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yes, we're not trading inside of consolidation. We're trading basically to consolidation. And as of right now, I do not want to take the trade because we are currently in consolidation. So if we end up breaking outside of this wall, I don't see any resistance from this 333 to the 321 area. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing for me to do. I'm just going to wait for this trade, see how it wants to play out, because we're still in consolidation, of course. 1 second here. So yeah, doesn't look bad. Hold on, I got to get my imbalance area too. So for my imbalance though, and this is exactly what I will be waiting for. What do we have here? So from the top wall to the bottom wall, inside the middle, we have the empty space that we like. And as you can see, empty space looks really good. So right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait. Doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so that looks really good. QBT as well. QBT. Pony. We'll do that. SFCI. Hold on. Oh, we didn't do BABA yet either. 1 second here. QBT. Yeah, got you. Yeah, we'll do that. SMCI. So yeah, we'll do QBT right after we do SMCI. I think I do see something here. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, obviously just drop them down. I'm here, of course. Alright, so for SMCI though, this looks really good. And Marvel, yeah, perfect. We'll do Marvel too. Doesn't look bad though. So for SMCI, this is what I have here. And yo, thanks for 4,000 likes. You guys are going crazy. SYTA as well. Okay, cool, perfect. So as of right now, this is what I'm seeing that looks really good. So this looks fairly decent. We do have this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. As you can see, what do we have here? We have a top and bottom wall. So this bottom wall is going to be very, very important because this needs to drop below. So yes, buyers control this bottom floor here. So I need buyers to end up getting exhausted in order for us to target this downside. So yeah, as of right now, nothing for me to do except for just to wait. But yeah, it looks really good. So basically trading from one box to the next box. Doesn't look bad though. So that's on SMCI, SYTA as well. We'll pull that out too. QBT. Alright, so QBC, BABA, we'll go over that too as well. We'll pretty much go over everything. Alright, so now let's keep going. One second here. Alright, so honestly, it looks like I have something here. I'm not sure what I have. Let's see. Oh wow, okay. Wait, hold on. This one got me stuttering. So this one, you know, this one may be great. Hold on, give me a second here. QBT, okay. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. So personally, what I have here, what I see. Oh yeah, I definitely won't be chasing this one. Definitely not right now. So what I see here though, and you know what, we'll break it down. So the first thing that, you know, caught my mind here, that doesn't look bad. Clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, looks like we have another top wall, bottom wall. So this top wall that I'm seeing, so this wall needs to be broken in order for us to target to this upside. So, as you see, top wall, there's a body candle and there's also a wick directly at the same line. Right now, yes, we're at, you know, this top floor, so we could end up rejecting here. But if we end up breaking above this level, so at the end of the day, so yes, the end of the day, the last hour of the day, if we are above this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance, and personally, I don't see any until here. This green candle there. Obviously, yes, this is another top wall, bottom wall there. So as of right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait for this trade. Inside the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So, doesn't look bad. We'll have to see, though. So, that was on QBT. We'll have to see how everything goes. So, that was on QBT. SYTA as well. We'll go over that. BABA, too. Hold on. Let's pull up some more. QBT. Just want to see some more setups, though. Still doesn't look bad. This one will be more of a slow mover though. Looks pretty decent though. One second. Google APLD, OKLO, yeah, OKLO, APLD, Google. We'll go over that too as well. One second here. One second here, guys. I'm right here. I swear I'm here. One second here. Oh, 1 second. All right, 1 second here, 1 second here. Let's see. All right, cool. Okay, hello. Oh, wow. Okay, hello. Actually, this doesn't look bad here. 1 second here. hold on. Let me pull up SYTA really quickly too. So let's go to a higher time frame and let's break this one down. And let's see. So yeah, we did. So yeah, about this one, we did end up breaking above this wall here, which led us to target into this empty space. Personally, I would not want to chase a trade like this, just because. But as you can see this though, so personally, yes, we do have empty space. So we have this clear move up that I would love to take to the downside at some point in time. Obviously, let's keep on going. We do have, so yeah, if we do end up, so let's just say on a 1 hour, 2 hour as well. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. Yeah, it looks like, you know, obviously, yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, there's a top wall here, bottom wall there. And if we end up breaking underneath this wall there isn't any resistance still here. So yes, personally, no, I'm not into this play. I'm not telling you guys to get into it either. This move is pretty much already done, at least for right now. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Yo, Mr. Green, what's up? Good morning. How are you, man? Good to see you. All right, so we'll pull that up too as well. 1 second. Sorry. 1 second here. 1 second. I gotta change this song. That's a terrible song. Meta. We'll pull that up too. Okay, hello. Okay, so okay, hello. This is what I have here, and yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. So, yes, what do we have here? We had an area of no consolidation that I wanted to take to the upside. And we ended up breaking above this floor. So, I think, yeah, so yesterday, we ended up breaking above this top floor, which allowed us into this empty space above. We ended up breaking above this wall, so hopefully we can end up trading to this upside. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. So, there was a floor that, and I know this floor looks a little bit weird. I actually drew it just like this, so I looked at 2 points of contact here. Obviously, I still counted this as empty space, but yeah, we ended up breaking above. Doesn't look bad, so upside. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, of course, so please do your own research. All right, yes, guys, give me 1 second. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. We mainly do swing trades, but I'm going to find a couple of day trades each day, especially today too as well. Yeah, it's going to be a great day. So yes, link is in the bio for the Discord as well. Doesn't look bad. RIBN as well. Let's pull that up. All right, yeah, no worries. 1 second. Yo, what's up, guys? All right, so now let's get straight to it. Yo, good morning. ZIM, yeah, Zim, we'll go over that. All right, so yeah. So as I was mentioning earlier, on what was it? RIVN. I think this was what, yesterday. So yeah, we did end up breaking above this wall here, like I said, and let's look. Bottom TP has been hit. So personally, I really wouldn't want to chase this play, like not at all. As you can see here, what do I see? This doesn't look bad though. Hold on one second here. Personally, on a lower time frame, this is what I'm looking at. So let's go down to even a 30-minute. Let's see. Hold on one second. All right, for me personally, this is what I would do here. We can go. Actually, let's start on a weekly chart. So weekly doesn't look bad. If we end up, so yeah, I will be honest. Yes, there is a weekly time frame that I'm seeing. So there is a top wall, bottom wall there. Hold on. Where's my box at? There we go. Top. Nice bottom there. So if we end up breaking, closing above this wall, I don't see any resistance until this upside here. So this 18 area. Obviously, yes, there is a little more empty space up here. So just going to take it one step at a time. So yeah, it does look bad. But right now we're still in the consolidation, so just don't want to, end up taking any trades if we're still in consolidation. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing for me to do except for just to wait. Let's see. I want to see how the Qs are doing. Oh man, not another chop day, is it? Yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Meta. Honestly, I think Kappa could end up holding up great. I think he could end up doing amazing. Yo, shout out to Chris. Really appreciate it, man. No worries. Yo, Jill, thanks for the follow. Thank you all so much. All right, so now we got to go over meta. So, Mr. Green, I got you, my guy. So now let's go to a. Actually, I think I did this on a 1 hour, I believe. But hold on, we'll go ahead and start fresh. Don't want to give you guys just already made up boxes that I made previously. I want to show you why that I'm getting in. Obviously, I'm not getting into any of these trades right now, but hold on one second. I think we did this on a. This was nice. All right, yeah. So this was on a 1 hour. VIX down to 18. Wow. Yeah, I'll have to check VIX too. So yeah, as of right now, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I like. That doesn't look bad at all. And yes, what is this, guys and gals? So the first thing that that really caught my eye here, was this clear move up. So yes, this area of no consolidation. And what do I see here? So the first thing that, I really see, so we have top wall, bottom wall here. So this bottom wall here that I'm referring to, that I am seeing, you can see two body candles closing directly at the same price. And this is where price is having a hard time getting under. And if we end up breaking underneath that level, underneath this wall here, I don't see any resistance until this green candle here. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do. At least not yet, because we're still in consolidation. Obviously, yes, it's this empty space too. Yes, this can be considered empty space on a lower time frame. But for me, at least, I like this. I like this big move up. This has no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is exactly what I want. So yeah, it looks really good. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm just going to have to wait. Obviously, no, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. But yeah, personally, I'm just going to wait. Doesn't look bad though. Qs, BA. Jay, I don't know if you're still in here, so hold on. Let's see. Let's go to I think this was on a lower time frame. Microsoft, yep. Quantum stock's moving, yeah. Yo, Shy, baby, what's up? Thanks for the follow. Alright, so, hold on. Looks like... Yeah, we did this on the 1 hour, so... And we'll break it down too as well. So, same thing here. This is the first thing that I saw that looks really amazing, that looks absolutely great. So obviously, definitely not any of this. So all of this consolidation, absolutely not. But what really caught my eye that that looks really good that I can actually take a trade on. We have this clear move down of no consolidation, and yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. All that I would need here is a nice top wall and bottom wall. So top wall that I'm seeing, points of contact here. So top and bottom. So yes, this top wall, as you can see, 2 points of contact closing directly the same line. If we end up breaking above that wall there, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. And yes, so in the middle we have the empty space that we like. Doesn't look bad at all. As of right now, we are pretty much in this consolidation zone. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here. But if we end up breaking above this wall, so from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the middle of the move is going to be our empty space. So this is exactly what we want. So yes, all of my charts look exactly the same. Yes, either it works or it doesn't. And if it doesn't work, I get out immediately and I find the re-entry. So the reason why I tell you guys, like, okay, if it doesn't work, and why I get out at a break-even stop loss is because, like, let's just, for example here, for JPM. Obviously, this was more of an earnings play. Earnings play still, same exact thing. But JPM, let's just go for this example. We have a clear move down of no consolidation, and as you see, let's just say we end up breaking above the wall. So my entry is going to be my exit. So yes, we ended up breaking above the wall. We ended up just targeting the upside. But if we end up going back inside of the box, inside of the wall, I do not want to be in the trade because this is where sellers gain control of the price. Obviously, if I got to get stopped out, perfectly fine, because I know I'm looking for the full reward. I'm not looking for, just a quick scalp. Obviously, if I do, scalp on the Qs, it's different. But for a swing trade, yes, I'm looking for the full move. I'm not looking for just an itty-bitty move. So if I have to get stopped out on a very, very small move, I know that's fine because I know where the bigger picture lies ahead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Same thing for, my lower time frame. So if I'm on the Qs as well, I pretty much just... Hold on one second here. Hold on, give me a second. The chat is pretty much talking about something crazy right here. Yeah, I might have to do something wild. 1 second here. I gotta think right now. So, I don't know if anyone remembers. About Marvel, what we did for Marvel. That was my, the biggest trade I've ever called out. It was this year. So I think they have. Hold on, give me a second. They have earnings soon. So personally, I'm gonna do something crazy with that. So anyways, so Zim, yeah, we'll go over that as well. Hold on 1 second here. Yo, Jay, yeah, no worries. My bad. I'm just contemplating about some different stocks that I'm waiting to look at. All right, so let's keep on going now. Yeah, thanks for liking. I really appreciate it. Let's keep going. 4 hour. Yo, Pato, what's up? CLSK. Yo, MK, what's up? Good to see you. All right, so now ZIM. Hold on, let's go to a 24 hour before I try to break this one down. So yeah, it looks like, at least for this one, let's keep going. Not gonna lie, there is some empty space above us. That doesn't look bad. Hold on, let me see what a 4 hour looks like. Actually. Alright, yeah, this doesn't look bad. They have a oh wow, okay, I see. I'll definitely take some I'll definitely do some research on this one as well. So yes, top wall, bottom wall here. So I will be honest. Yes, there is just a little bit of empty space above us. So we end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance to here. So yes, top wall, another bottom wall. So inside the middle, we do have the empty space that looks really good. Not bad at all. So yes, from the top wall to the bottom wall here, inside the middle looks really good. Not bad, not bad. So it does look bad, not bad at all. Let's see how everything else is moving. Zoom. MU still inside this wall here. Does look bad though. We'll see what happens there. Not bad. Anyways, meta looks really good. LOY. So yeah, Zoom looks really decent. 1 second here. Oh yeah, and Google. Yeah, I got you, bro. Yeah, 1 second. My bad. My bad. Google. Honestly, hold on 1 second here. One second. My bad, I was looking at the chat. What's the cubes looking like? So hold on 1 second here. So it looks like, yo, McCain, Marvel Part 2, bro. Let me know, bro. Let me know. We may end up getting that. Man, honestly, man, yeah, I'm gonna have to do something crazy with that one. I can't lie to you, bro. I just can't do it. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second here. Everyone knows about Marvel. All right, so yeah, let's keep going. Google, what I have here at least, that looks really good. Yeah, no worries. So I'll have to do a lot of research after I get off my live stream. And yes, please remember, do your own research as well. Not financial advice, so not saying you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, of course. But yeah, we'll see what's up. But yeah, as of right now for this, what do we see here? Top wall, bottom wall there. And if we end up breaking under this bottom wall here, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red counter there. So that looks really good. Yes, in the middle, what do we have here? Clear move. It looks really good. Honestly, I'm pretty excited about today. We got a lot of things I do want to do. I want to get into a couple day trades too. So yeah, as of right now, this looks really decent, looks really good. Just going to wait to see if we can end up breaking and closing outside this wall here. So it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. 1 second here. But yeah, Google looks really decent. Looks like that empty space could end up getting filled. Not bad though. Let's see. Q's, BA, we did that. Yeah, QQ looks pretty good too. Just gonna wait on that. NVIDIA, NVDA also. Oh yeah, NVIDIA. Yeah, that looks like it's, you know. Oh yeah, that looks like it's trying to happen for sure. So what, we have like 1 minute until it ends up going. So yeah, not bad, not bad. So yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. So yes, we have an empty space, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below this wall. It doesn't look bad here. Personally, I don't want to get into directly at open, but we'll have to see how everything lines up. So yeah, it doesn't look bad though. I'll definitely keep an eye on that. Definitely keep an eye on that. Not bad. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I will be getting on live probably in like an hour or so. So yes, if you are planning on joining the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals. You can see pretty much everything there. But yes, link is in the bio for everything. Thank you all so much. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon. I'll be in the Discord. And for the 2, thank you.